Hello everyone and welcome to this Selenium with Python series. This is our fourth session on this one, and in this particular tutorial we will learn to install the Selenium with Python. So let's begin. Installing Selenium with Python is pretty much easy, and in order to install the Selenium with Python, let's go to the browser here and here search for pip, and this is the official website. Click on this one. So here you need to search for Selenium here, and it will land here to the Selenium package. Okay, so this is a Selenium one, and just click on this one. And here, in order to install the Selenium, we simply need to use this pip install Selenium command. Okay, there are further more instructions available here. You can look out this documentation from here. And now let's copy this one. And let me go to the desktop here. Let me create a new folder here, and I'm naming it as install Selenium. Okay, so first way is that just open this folder, and inside this folder right click and go to open the terminal. So you will see that we will be in this particular folder right now. Okay, so simply just paste this command and enter. So it will install the Selenium with just this single command. Okay, so it's really easy. It's really easy and really quick here. Okay, now simply go to the PyCharm here and go to open, and here let me open the project which I created right now. Install Selenium, this one. Click OK, trust the project, this window. So your project with the Selenium is installed successfully. Okay, so in some cases it might be saying that invalid Python interpreted. So click on this one and go here. You can select the interpreter. Let me go with this one right now. And here go to the externals and go to the libraries, and you will see that we are seeing different files here. Okay, and in terms of, let's go back here, then we have extended definitions, DLLs, site packages, right? We have Python here, then we have site packages. So inside the site packages you will find this Selenium. So Selenium 4.14.0 all installed here, and you will find these files here. Okay, so this is a one way of downloading and installing the Selenium with Python, which is pretty much very easy. Now the other way is that simply go here and create a new project and name the project where you want to create a project here. So simply let me create on the desktop, and I am naming the project here as create from PyCharm. Okay, and just click on the create here, this window, and we have the blank project creating here in the virtual environment. And now we need to open a terminal inside here. So there are multiple ways to open here, but simply just go here on the left side, click on the terminal here, and here simply we need to type the command. So let me go back here and copy this command, but you can also copy this command from different places. So simply go here and go to selenium.web.dev and go to the download sections here and go to this Python one. Just click on this one, and here again it is redirecting us to directly this pip project Selenium, and from here you can copy this one. And if you go to this API documentation, and here again you will find this command. So you can install or you can upgrade the Python bindings. So simply pip install -u Selenium. Okay, and alternatively what you can do is that you can download the source distribution from this website and archive it and run it, and then python setup.py.install. So you can also install the Selenium in this way, but I don't recommend in this way. The easiest way is just to run the pip command, and that's all. And now if I go here, copy this command, and again, now let's go to the PyCharm here, and inside this one, just paste this command and press enter. So now it will install the Selenium inside this particular project. Okay, in some cases it might take some time, but usually it's really fast, really quick, and your installation is done. Now once your installation is done here, you need to go to again this external libraries, and into the side packages you will find the Selenium here, right? So this is how actually you can install the Selenium. And if we really want to ensure that Selenium is working fine or not, so simply go here into the root project, create a Python file, and I'm naming it as a test. And when you select a Python file, so it will add .py extension at the end. Okay, so if I go back here and simply let me copy this piece of code, we will learn these step by steps in our upcoming tutorials. But just to ensure that Selenium is properly installed and it's working, so simply just go to the PyCharm here and paste this code here. And now in order to run this one, just go here on the top and simply go to this current file and run it from here. So what it will do is that it will open the Firefox, and inside the Firefox it will open this selenium.dev, and you see it is working fine. So this means that our Selenium is installed successfully using the Python. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you like our content, then do like, comment, share and subscribe our channel. Once again, thank you so much and see you in the next tutorial.